On the bench, I've got an AliExpress purchase. It's a 70 antenna, fiberglass antenna, and the model is a TX433-BLG-40. Says it covers 420 to 450 with a gain of 4.5 dBi. I'm going to be putting up a LoRa APRS digipeater. I wanted a cheap antenna, which is going to be a bit sturdier than probably like a rubber duck or anything else like that. So I went for this. It was £14 including delivery. It's got an N-type male. All feels quite robust. As I'm a big kid, I want to have a look inside. Well, I've already looked inside, but I want to show you what's inside the antenna so you have an idea if you're going to purchase one of these. And also, I'm going to put it onto the nanoVNA just to do a sweep and see what the match is like across the band. So, as I've opened it up before, they've put some sealant or some gunk down the bottom. So I'm just going to put some gloves on. And then if I get long nose, just saves you if you ever want to have a look. And there's the gunk paste. Right. There's the antenna inside. First glance, it just looks like a dipole, really. Tube section looks like it's been soldered there. So nothing spectacular, to be honest. So that's inside the antenna. I'm going to use the clamp on the bench. As it's getting a bit dark here, I'm just going to do the test inside. So the antenna is not going to be in free space, but it will give you a bit of an idea of what the match is like. So bear with me while I just set this all up and get it plugged into the nanoVNA. So I've got it mounted into the vise on the desk. Like I say, it's not completely in free space, but it gives you an idea. I've got some cable assemblies that I bought from AliExpress as well. So that's the cable assembly, as you can see. I'm just going to plug this now into the nanoVNA. Overshoot as usual. Right. So 420 or 1.2, 424. We've got near enough. 433, 1.4. I'm going to be using it roughly about 440, so 1.6. It's going to be good enough for what I'm after. And let's just scroll up. 446, 1.8, and 450. We're getting up. So the sweep's not far off what they're showing on the AliExpress website as well, so that's encouraging. I've used AliExpress now a few times, and I've not had a problem, but I'm still a bit wary about the reviews that get put on there, like with most things. But so far I've not had any bad experience with AliExpress. Everything's always turned up, everything's been as it says it is. So if you've been looking at the TX433-BLG-40 and wanted to know if it's got a good match and what's inside it, hopefully this video was useful to you. Thanks for watching. 7-3.